Now beta, we are going to discuss the cash flow from operating activities. It is basically related with all the business activities related to operating. First of all, we have to take the net profit before tax. And from where it will come? It will come from working note number 1. We have to adjust certain items in the net profit of the year. And those certain items we have to show here. This is working note number 1. Working note 1. We will write the net profit of the year here. If these 4 items are given to you, you have to add them up in the working note only. This is transfer to reserve. Any type of reserve or fund you have to transfer, you have to add it here. If you have transferred, how you will come to know that you have transferred? It will be given like this. Suppose general fund or sinking fund or general reserve, anything you can take, any reserve or fund, any reserve. Suppose 10,000 it was in the beginning and now it is 15,000. So you have transferred something to the reserve. From the profit of the year you have transferred something, how much? 5,000. Always take the difference in this chapter. So this is gap 5,000, general reserve. Here you will write transfer to reserve 5,000. Then you have to add the provision for tax. Provision for tax. You will write provision for tax. Then बचे 2 dividends, proposed dividend and interim dividend. 2 type of dividends are there. Okay. Then one thing will be subtracted and that is refund of tax. If you have received any type of refund of tax, you have to subtract. Then what the answer is? Net profit before tax. You have to learn that these items will be recorded in working note. Net profit of the year, transfer to reserve and fund, provision for tax, proposed dividend, interim dividend. These 4 items, if given in the question, you have to make a working note for them. And if refund of tax is given, you will subtract it from the working note. This is the working note. You have to record net profit of the year. If these 4 items are given to you, you have to add them up. Transfer to reserve and fund, provision for tax, proposed dividend, interim dividend, refund of tax. Then your answer will be net profit before tax, and that answer will be transferred here, bache. Net profit before tax. Now you have to add some non-cash and non-operating expenses. Non-cash, non-operating expenses. Because they are not related to business and we have already done, so we will add them back. These items are depreciation, but a depreciation is always on the tangible fixed assets. Tangible means land, plant, machinery, furniture, etc. And second thing is amortization. What is amortization? Amortization is the depreciation of intangible assets. This is another name of depreciation, but there is small difference that amortization is the depreciation of intangible assets like goodwill write-off. If it is writing off means if it is reducing, then it will be recorded here. Otherwise, it will be assumed as the purchase of asset. Goodwill write-off, patents write-off, copyright write-off, trademarks write-off, preliminary expenses, preliminary expenses write-off, discount on issue of shares or debentures write-off. All these items of intangible nature, if they are reducing, you have to record their reduced value. You have to add them back. Then बच्चे loss on sale of fixed asset. If you have sold any fixed asset at some loss, you will add that back. Then interest paid. Then increase in provision for doubtful debt. Provision for doubtful debts. So depreciation, amortization, goodwill write-off, patents write-off, copyrights write-off, trademarks write-off, preliminary expenses write-off, discount on issue of shares write-off, loss on sale of fixed asset write-off, and then bache interest paid. How much interest you have paid this year, you have to record it here. Then increase in provision for doubtful debt. So certain non-operating incomes will be subtracted, like interest received. If you have paid, you will add. If you have received, you will subtract. Dividend received. All non-operating incomes will be subtracted. We just have to take the operating incomes. Rent received, interest received, rent received, then gain or profit on sale of fixed asset. If we have sold any fixed asset on profit, it will be subtracted. If we have sold on loss, we will add it back. Then last is bache decrease in provision for doubtful debts. We have to add these items and subtract these items. The answer will be operating profit before working capital changes. This answer will be operating profit before working capital changes. When in net profit before tax we will add these items and subtract these, we will get operating profit before working capital changes. Now we have to record the changes in working capital. Decrease in current asset, increase in current liability will be added, and increase in current asset, decrease in current liability will be subtracted. And at the end we will subtract tax paid. The answer will be cash flow from operating activities. At the end, you have to record the changes in working capital. Certain current assets and current liabilities will be given to you. You just have to recall your memory, and you should know what items are included in current asset and what items are included in current liability, like inventory and trade receivables, cash and cash equivalent. So you will not take anywhere except at the end. So these items, if there is any fall in current asset, it will be added. If there is any increase in current asset, it will be subtracted. If there is any increase in current liability, it will be added. If there is any decrease in current liability, it will be subtracted. At the end, you have to pay the tax, and the answer will be cash flow from operating activities.